So today I'm going to talk about the very interesting topic जहाँ मेरे को बाहर बार बार queries आ रही हैं. The gold and silver hype. Yes, the gold and silver have given insane return this year in 2025. Silver, the metal, after 3 decades, it's given such an amazing return, which is around 133% in 1 year. Wow, that's amazing. And gold, of course, gold has been the safe asset heaven forever. अब बार बार मुझसे लोग यही पूछ रहे हैं कि पीपल आर गेटिंग फोमो कि वी हैव नॉट इन्वेस्टेड इन गोल्ड, काश हमने गोल्ड में इन्वेस्ट किया होता, काश सिल्वर में इन्वेस्ट किया होता. व्हाई डू वी इन्वेस्ट इन स्टॉक मार्केट रादर देन वी शुड इन्वेस्ट इन गोल्ड? बट यस, गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर एज ऑलवेज सेड दे आर सेफ हेवन और वहां पे इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए. बट व्हाई स्टॉक मार्केट देन? Stock market is another addition and it gives a better return. Not, I will not say better returns, but I can show an historical data. So if you go back 30 years back, because future is unpredictable, I cannot take charge of future, but I can give you an insight by showing the data of last 30 years. So if we see the gold, silver and Sensex return in the last 30 years, Sensex beats gold and silver by volumes. We can go and check all this data. You have your website, you can go and check it. But this year has been insane for gold and silver. But do you think this rally will continue? It might not. Silver, I still believe now it's not only a precious metal, it's a industrial metal where it is widely used in EV sector, the green energy, people are running towards green energy and the solar panels, everywhere silver is being used. Yes, this because of expected scarcity in future, big countries are accumulating silver. तो इसकी वजह से हमें सिल्वर पे करना चाहिए बट फोमो से नहीं कि हम सारा का सारा पैसा सिल्वर में डाल दें एंड नेक्स्ट इट विल गेट डबल इन सम टाइम. इट विल नॉट हैपन लाइक दिस. Yes, we should. Instead, we should go for a slow sip in gold, silver, and Sensex and mutual funds and everything. Because you should never keep all your eggs in one basket. That's a rule. So you should diversify your portfolio, and with the digital currency you have an advantage of taking mutual funds of gold and silver, ETF of gold and silver, to have that kind of thing that yes, we have it in our portfolio. Plus in Sensex, of course, if you see the 30 years return, sometimes Sensex and some shares can give you some like 200%, but it is not sure. Then comes the study, the fundamentals of the company, that what matters. So actually we have to see which shares we have to put it in our loop. So fundamentals are the basic thing that we should go in for. So I would request people who've been calling me and asking me, like, we have a corpus of money, we want to put in gold and silver. Yes, you should, but not all corpus should be put in one place. You can just do a small sip in gold and silver, but right now it's at his major resistance. So this is, if you see the past historical data, whatever goes up like this falls also like this. I'm not saying that silver will fall like this because it's an industrial metal and it's scarcity, so it might not, but yes, we can hope for a correction and we can expect that correction maybe in 3 months, 6 months, or maybe a little later. See, future is unpredictable, no one has seen future, but historical data says that the thing which go up in a slide comes back in a slide. So if not in a slide, but yes, a correction is expected, so wait for that. Instead of getting into that FOMO that we don't have gold and silver, we haven't invested, हम उस पे थोड़ा थोड़ा सिप करके इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड इन सेंसेक्स, एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट, प्लीज कंसल्ट योर पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजर, कंसल्ट सम research analyst, a SEBI registered research analyst team, to get your portfolio in a proper allocation system with your term horizon, with your goal of your tenure, what is your goals for future, you have, you are planning to buy a house, you planning for your child's education, for your child's marriage. So there are few things which has to be taken in consideration. तो आप उन सबको इकट्ठा करके सारा कुछ सोच के कि हमें ये चीजें करनी है. So Arya Finmart is proudly associated with partners with Motilal Oswal, and they have a full team of qualified people who guide you through the process of telling you that how to go about the different allocation, looking at your risk appetite, looking at your goal horizon, looking at all your conditions. We are there to help you. So come and explore and then invest wisely, and don't go after any FOMOs that this is rising so we should put in. So whatever rise can fall also. There are few stocks also which goes like this, but then they fall like this also. So we have to see the fundamentals and then go slowly. और इसी तरह से हम अपना एक कॉर्पस बना के एक अच्छे से हम वेल्थ क्रिएशन जिसको कहते हैं वो क्रिएट कर सकेंगे